reached the beach, as in Sunshine Beach. And it is a little bit of a overcast day today. We're headed up to Noosa Heads. And this is one of the beaches that I've often heard Michelle tell me about. And I thought that I would do a little bit of a walk and talk as we find our way along the beach here. There's a home that you can see right on the beach. A lot of bush as we're driving up from Michelle's home up here to Noosa Heads, and quite a bit of bush. As I was telling Michelle, there is quite a contrast between where I call home in Florida and here. Down in Florida, you'll see a lot of color, a lot of beautiful flowers and what have you. And she was saying that there should be some just up along the beach as well. So I've heard a lot about Sunshine Beach, and it'd be good to share this with those of you that have always wanted to see what it looks like here. Somehow or another I lost Michelle. Noosa National Park is here, and this is showing us where we are right here. And this would be Sunshine Beach. Humpback whales. Might see some humpback whales. See some turtles. All right. Surf is up. There's quite a wind. Actually, Michelle brought some boogie boards for us to enjoy the surf up in Noosa, I would imagine. So let's make our way down to the beach. We have reached the beach, and surf is definitely up. Michelle was saying that normally on a bright sunny day, the water would be a beautiful color. And today it's not green or blue like it normally would be. Oh, the sand feels good. Michelle is a beach girl for sure. Look at this. Walking the beaches of Australia. What a dream. To go from a period of time where this was nothing but a big spot on a map to actually be walking and talking here on the beaches of the Sunshine Coast in beautiful Australia with a lovely lady. Really something else. I'm sorry? That's where you want to live? Let's see. Okay, that's where Michelle wants to. Oh, with the infinity pool, and we could do a drone shot. All right, we'll do a drone shot of you in the infinity pool. I did. I sure did. All right. So here is Sunshine Beach, folks. Okay, we're going up those stairs. All right, sounds good.
We go the wild bush way up that way.
All right. Here's another view of the houses, and just noticing that pool right there, you can actually see the glass into the water. Wow, nice real estate. We've reached the beginning of the trailhead to Noosa National Park. Noosa is easier to pronounce than the majority of the places that I've seen here, but look at this. And I think Michelle was telling me that there was a Russian that came and built this property right here. Let's see if I can zoom in on it a little bit. Look at that. All right, so this is the map of the headland section of Noosa National Park. You can see we are right there, and tonight we're actually staying right over there, right off Hastings Street. So we could do the walk all the way along, but we'll just do a short walk and then come back, pick up the car, and head over to Noosa Heads. All right, Michelle found her way to a this is one of the trees here that really interesting shape. Look at the trunk of the tree, if you will, how it goes down. Isn't that something? What's this tree called?
Pandanus.
I'm sorry?
Pandanus?
And they get flowers?
No.
No?
No. There are females and the males.
Females and the males.
Yeah, and the females have seed pods.
Uh-huh. And what's this one?
Looks like a male.
You don't know?
Looks like a male.
Looks like a male.
Yeah.
Okay. No seed pods here. All right. That's something. Look at that. You're gonna have to forgive the wind as we walk along here on the trail.
Here with a bit of breeze. It gets hot at the top.
Yeah. Just saying it's nice when you come here with a little bit of a breeze. You can go 1 kilometer to Alexandria Bay. Hell's Gates lookout is 2.7 kilometers. So up we go. All right, how do I let myself get led into these things? Look at these steps going up. Isn't that something? And turn around and there's your view of Sunshine Beach. Boy, it seems like I'm doing the Maya ruins or something in Ichipishi or whatever they call that place. There's a lady out for her morning exercise. Oh goodness. And there's Michelle. She's a little bit more fit than I am, I think. I think we're nearing the top, and what a spectacular view. Look at that, Sunshine Beach. Really is a nice view once you get up here. I'm not sure if we're finished climbing, but are we finished climbing?
Yeah.
Nearly. We're nearly finished climbing. And here is the house again right there. You can see the strange, kind of the strange looking home. I'll zoom in a little bit on it. There it is. All right, on with the trip. Our climb has leveled off, and now we're just kind of walking through some bush, I think they call this. We're walking through. Is this bush? Okay. So we're on a bushwalk right now. This, I think, is my first official bushwalk of my trip. Right here, walking through the bush. Okay, I don't know what I let this woman get me into, but she says that we're going the what way? The tricky way?
The locals' way.
The locals' way, the tricky way.
What's your hit?
You see so there's the trail, but she is going off the beaten trail, and I guess it's the tricky way.
What's your hit?
And I'm not quite sure where we're going. You know, who knows? Maybe she's setting me up. You know, maybe there's people waiting up there for me, and they're gonna take me out. Oh, this is like being, you know, on the TV show Naked and Afraid, except we're not naked.
I'm not afraid.
You know, and well, she's not afraid. Okay, well, I'm not naked. I am a little bit afraid, but she's been here before. Now this is really a bushwalk. Look at this. I'm doing a bushwalk. Aren't I supposed to paint my face or something like that? Aren't we supposed to paint our faces or something? Being on a bushwalk? All right. This is the secret way. Did you bring a picnic?
Oh, you were in charge of the picnic.
You didn't bring a picnic?
You were in charge of the picnic.
I was.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Just lovely. Tom TV at its best. I think we're coming up to an overlook, perhaps. Be careful she doesn't throw me over. I'm actually filming this with my phone as opposed to my normal camera and battery. I'm saving that for Noosa. Here we go. Look at this. Wow. I'm gonna go back and get my drone. Wow, look at this, folks. This is something.
There's a turtle down there.
There is?
Yeah.
Where?
High tide, so he probably won't come up much.
Okay.
We'll go around the corner.
Look at this. And look at these rocks. Isn't that something? Do you know what made these rocks like this?
Something like that. Erosion.
Isn't that something?
Erosion.
Uh-huh. All right. It's on with the tour.
Up there as well.
Okay. So here we...
That's the female.
Oh, there's the female. Okay, there's the female with the pods or something like that on them. If you can see that. I know my friend Phil in central Michigan, he would know the difference between a male and a female tree. But up we go. It's actually rather nice. Saturday morning walk, getting out of the house, doing a walkabout. Wow. We should have brought a kite. Yeah. We should have brought a kite with us. Look at you and all your wonder. Uh-huh. Okay. Gotta be careful or my hat is gonna blow off. Can't imagine what this is gonna sound like. Hopefully I'm cupping my hand over the microphone well enough. Kind of hiking in sandals, which isn't the most ideal. There's your view. Now Michelle, I don't know where she's going. I'm not going down there. No, 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 no. I'm not going down there. You can stay there and enjoy yourself. Look at you. All right. Oh, goodness. Boy, what an adventure. Now, Michelle wants to take me to the nudie beach. And there's the nudie beach. And she said she could take a picture of me naked on the rocks for my people. I don't know that that would be a good idea. I'd probably lose, 2 out of my 3 subscribers. The nudie beach. Where? Huh? All right. But the nudie beach is over there, and I see people in the water. All right. On with the trip. As you can see, we've made it back to Sunshine Beach, and quite a hike for sure. But hope you enjoyed this trip to Sunshine Beach and Noosa National Park. All right, have a great day. I thought I'd wrap up the video here with this scene waiting for us if we came down the beach. There's a gentleman here in the surf doing some fishing with his 2 friends. Look at that reel. That reel looks like he's ready to bring in a shark or something. Here come the dogs. But boy, that reel looks like he's not messing around. He's kind of fishing there in the surf. I've never seen a fishing reel like that. No. What are you fishing for?
Well, I've just got a few darts.
Uh-huh. Yeah? Wow.
Reels, so they're like side cast reels. Turn them on the side to cast them.
Look at that.
But these are meant for the surf, so you clean them by dunking them in the surf, in the sand, and all that.
Wow.
They're a good reel on the beach. Not like the egg beaters.
Uh-huh.
They stuff up and pick up the beach.
So do you catch and release, or do you bring your fish home?
Oh, if they're big enough.
If they're big enough, huh? All right. All right.
I just released a couple then.
Well, have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, folks. There you go.
These little tiny ones are on the beach now.
Yeah? You got one on now? No? Oh, you got a little one.
That's just a whiting.
That's a prize catch, right?
That's a little fella.
That's a.
They're a good fish. They're a good
Let me see what it
fish
looks
when they're
like.
bigger. Called a whiting.
Uh-huh. Called a whitey?
Whiting.
Whiting. Uh-huh.
That's it.
Oh, there he goes.
Beautiful eating little fish.
All right. Have a great day.
No worries.